If you're watching this, there's a teeny tiny chance that you already know AI is not a trend anymore. You know it's going to change how businesses run their sales team. You know it's going to change how you apply for jobs, how students learn inside universities. You know it's going to change your whole life within the next 5 years. And you're afraid that you're getting left behind, which is good because realization is the first step of healing. So, step number one, what you need to know. The real question is not whether AI matters. The real question is how you use AI in your day-to-day life to actually use it to its fullest potential. Because most people know ChatGPT. Most people have opened the app, asked it to edit an image for them or to write an email for their boss. But as soon as they come into work the next day, they're still managing the spreadsheets themselves. They're still researching all the topics themselves. They don't know how to use AI or how to make a profit from it. And that's exactly what we built the Mango Studio community for. In Mango Studio community, we have two very specific paths. One leads to the business owners that want to learn how to use AI in their business to replace eventually employees, to update spreadsheets, to handle their customer support team, to do things that will remove a lot of time off their plate and make them able to focus on the work that actually matters. For example, getting in clients, talking to customers that actually want to buy in big. That's path number one. Path number two is for people that want to learn how to use AI for themselves, how to build an agency around it, how to package it so that they can sell it to real businesses. And that's exactly what we teach inside of Mango Studio community. We don't record for the sake of recording. We make this content because that you can learn how to set up an own automation, how to use ChatGPT properly, how to use Claude properly, how to make an actual profit from it, and how to actually implement it inside of your business. So it's not theory. We only teach you how to implement systems to ease up your own work and to make you more time and to make you more money. Right now, most people are stuck in the same place. They know AI, they know the tools exist, they kind of know where to find them, but they don't know how to actually use them. For example, a business owner uses ChatGPT, Claude, maybe even has run into some automation tools that he was trying to use, but he doesn't know how to actually use them to make time for himself or his employees and to save him some money on work that he's currently focusing on that could be fully automated. The second path is for the people that want to build an agency, the people that are trying to sell packages to help other businesses to save more time and money, like the business owner. But they first don't know how to make an automation to actually solve that problem. And second, they don't know how to price them, how to package them, and how to approach business owners. So these two types of people are both stuck in the same place. You guys know the tools, you guys know ChatGPT, you guys know AI exists, you guys know it's important, but you don't know how to use it or how to apply it for your life, for your business, for your agency, whatever. Mango Studio community is built to fix that exact problem. I'm Per, and together with Jesus, I'm running Mango Studio community. We have our own AI agency in which we work with clients all around the world that we build AI tools for, we build systems, we build workflows, we build things that need to be updated on the daily basis, which means every single day we spend hours in AI, we spend hours doing research, we spend hours building out tools that need to be improved and delivered to the client promptly, because every single day new AIs get released, new tools get released, new software gets released, and all of that needs to be integrated in those workflows or else things will crash, which is exactly what we do in this community. We put everything that we take from our agency, put it inside the community, very practical, easy, and directly to implement for you as a business owner and for you as an agency owner, or if you're just trying to figure out how this actually works so that you can apply it in the future. There's a core idea at the center of Mango Studio community, which is AI alone will not change anything in your life or your business. A system is what's going to change actually anything at all. So you can scroll on YouTube all day, you can read Twitter posts, you can scroll on Instagram and learn about these new cool things that are coming out every day. You can send a prompt once to Gemini to try it out your own, or to ChatGPT or to Claude, to any of them, but you will never actually know how to use them and you will never actually start using them for yourself and for your business and make an actual profit from them, which is why the only people that are winning in this new era of AI are the ones who know how to create the workflows, how to make an actual revenue from them, how to attract clients with them, how to handle leads with them. And all of that is what we teach inside of Mango Studio community. The AI era is still in its first 5 minutes, which is why now a lot of people, a lot of softwares, a lot of businesses are starting to implement it in their own processes, in their own workflows, which is also why it's extremely important to learn how to implement it into businesses, how to implement it in your own business, and how to implement it for others and get paid for it. Because in 5 years from now, the place will be crowded. Everyone will know how to use AI, everyone will know how to implement it. And then the only thing that matters is status, which is why you now need to make a huge impact into the community so that in 5 years you can sell it as your own valuable skill to enterprises directly, which is exactly what we teach inside the community right now. So what do you actually get inside of Mango Studio community? It's a community that is built around action. We will teach you how to implement workflows. We will teach you how to use the tools for your own. For example, if you run a business, we will teach you how to implement lead system, how to create an automated CRM, how to have the workflow, update your inventory systems, track new customers, all of that. If you're an agency builder, we will teach you how to package your offer, how to price yourself, how to build the actual workflows that you are going to sell. And all of that is going to include lead systems, CRM systems, following up on clients, calling clients, updating inventory, updating spreadsheets, printing documents, sending new contracts, generating new contracts that are then ready for your own to just accept and send out to your clients. So all the things that you spend hours on every single day, we will teach you inside this community. We're not trying to overwhelm you with 50 different types of lessons. All we are going to teach you is how to implement the actual workflows. Now, this is important. A lot of people just watch a course and never do anything with it. But when you're actually trying to build something, you need accountability, you need a community, you need live feedback, you need to get new ideas. And that's why we build this for people that want to be active, that actually want to learn. And that's what makes it different from watching content on the internet, because we will actually teach you, we will actually help you, we will actually bring you inside a community of builders than just feeding you with useless information. Mango Studio community is for you if one of these sounds like you. First, you are a business owner. You want to learn how to use AI in your business, reduce time with processes, make more money with actually working for your clients. Or you are an AI agency builder that wants to start implementing these tools, wants to start creating workflows, and wants to start creating actual value with AI. This is not if you just want to stay informed. This is not if you just want to keep staying updated with AI. Maybe you're thinking I'm not technical, and that's fine, because most of the tools we use are low code or no code. And all the code that we use inside the tools are written by ChatGPT or Claude, and we will teach you how to do that also. You don't need to be a developer. You don't need to know shit about coding to start learning these tools and start to implement them actually. Maybe you're thinking, I do not have the time to learn this. And that would be exactly why you need to do it, because we are teaching you tools, we are teaching you automations that will either make you more time or just simply save your time in your life, that you can then focus on other areas that are much more important than what you're currently working on. Maybe you're thinking, what if the tools change? I can assure you they will, which is why it is extremely important to understand the underlying principles of AI automations and how to use them directly, because we will not only teach you one specific tool, but we will teach you how to apply your skills to every single new thing that comes out, and we will teach you every single new thing that comes out anyway, so don't worry about that. Maybe you're thinking, is this really for my niche? In most cases, yes, because everyone needs customer support, tool automation, lead generation, all of that. Maybe the specifics change, but the underlying ground guidelines stay completely the same. The easiest way to join Mango Studio community is through the all access path, because it gives you access to all the courses, all the chats, so you can talk with the people that actually know what they are doing. It gives you access to all the live sessions, all the Q&As. You can talk with us directly. You can get feedback on all of your ideas. This is not built to be a passive archive. This is for people who actually want to build something. So if you want to stop just talking about AI and want to learn how to actually implement it, this is the right place. So here's the simple truth. AI is moving. The market is moving. People are learning. Everyone is implementing it right now on their own. So if you're a business owner, this is your chance to become more lean with AI, to optimize your processes, to save money, to save time, to build some actual things in your business that will help you to grow it. If you're an agency builder, this is your right moment to learn how to use the tools, to learn how to package the tools, to learn how to price them, and to learn how to do outreach for them. So just join the community, choose the path that fits best for you, and see you inside.